Assalamu alaikum, konnichiwa. My name is Nur Alisa Mariam and I was born and raised in Tokyo, Japan. I currently work as a halal supervisor and a sharia auditor. I converted to Islam in 2015 after being deeply moved by the Quran. As a Japanese person, I would say that miso soup is an essential food during Ramadan. Since I prioritize eating healthy meals, I pay special attention to nutrition while fasting. Dehydration is a concern since we don't drink water during the day, and fasting can also cause a drop in body temperature. A warm bowl miso soup helps address both of these issues. First, I place dried kelp, which is called kombu in Japanese, in cold water and let it sit for an hour. After an hour, heat the water with the kombu in it. Just as small bubbles start to form, remove the kombu, then bring the broth to a boil. Interestingly, my first experience with Ramadan was before I became Muslim. I went to the mosque with my Muslim friends and I tried fasting out of curiosity, but I could only last half a day before giving up. At the time, I thought fasting was extremely difficult and exhausting. However, since the year I converted, I have never felt that fasting is difficult. Once the kombu broth reaches a boil, turn off the heat. With the heat off, add a generous amount of dried bonito flakes. Finally, strain out the katsuobushi, leaving only the clear, flavorful broth. Once the kombu and the katsuobushi broth comes to a boil again, it's time to add the ingredients for the miso soup. Today, I'm using cabbage and fried tofu. I add them to the broth and let them simmer until they become tender and ready to eat. Nowadays, fasting has become easier, especially since the fasting hours are shorter. The part I enjoy most about Ramadan is the time I spend connecting with the Quran. Since I eat less frequently, I naturally have more time to focus on my spirituality. Once the ingredients have softened, we move on the final step of making miso soup. Avoid adding miso while the soup is boiling, as high heat can diminish its delicious flavor. Once the miso is fully dissolved, the miso soup is ready to serve. During iftar, we often crave a variety of dishes, making Japanese cuisine a perfect choice. Miso soup is an essential part of Japanese food, so I'm delighted to share how to make it with everyone.